Yeah, I'm about to know. I'll tell you when we're live. Say, don't worry about a thing. Get him in here, Jack. Get him in here.
It's a bad music. Yeah, I have this time. I don't think the songs are missing.
Alright. Listen, Toto, very good. How are we gonna move today? Or are we just feeling it out today and making notes and all that kind of shit? So today, the most important thing for me, first on the list, is to get like some really dope intros and transitions between the songs. So obviously the first one is Soft. We're opening with Soft, yeah? So a nice little intro for Soft. As you're doing it though, imagine whatever other piece you think you want to add to it, whether it's drums, like live drums, guitar, whatever. Just imagine that in your head. You are the MD for this shit. Let's go. You know what I mean? So you'll basically tell them, yo, go like this, So that's the first intro that we're gonna work on. We don't have to dial into that right now though. We'll just make mental notes right now. You know what I mean? Cool. And then as the songs go, we'll see how it moves. I believe we have like a break there.
Yeah, there's a couple.
Yeah, there's the one where they're gonna come out playing one at a time. What song was that again? Was that Strings and Bling or Easy?
That was gonna be on the orchestra segment.
Orchestra side, yeah. So there's an orchestra segment, and for there the idea is to have them like after whatever song before that section, lights out.
Okay.
And then give it like 10 seconds, complete like darkness. Yeah. And then we'll do a spotlight of like, let's say guitar comes out first. They come out playing.
That was my idea.
Nigga, that was my idea. That was my idea.
Mexican nigga.
No, what Mexican
For
nigga?
Shoes and Bling.
No. Look at this fucking. I'm telling you, you weren't even here, nigga.
Yeah, I told these niggas, I'm like, yo, for Strings and Bling, they gotta get like the Mexican nigga with
and
the...
you said less.
No, you didn't. I fuck with it. You are a traitor when it comes to being in front of the public. You agree in private and then you switch up.
Nah. Okay, yeah, but okay. Say the Mexican guy comes out with the guitar.
There we go.
And he plays one of the melodies, right? Okay. And then the other guy comes out, whether that's you or anyone else. So if it's you on keys, you come out and you play another melody of that, and then it builds up. Maybe two, three people. It's Strings and Bling are easy. Which one is it?
It's easy, yeah.
It's easy. So yeah, whatever melody, just to keep them guessing. Some people are gonna catch it, obviously, but some are gonna be like, yo, which one is this song?
It's interesting. Okay.
Yeah, and then maybe the final two people of that whole setup come out, and then they sit down, and then it's and then it starts however it starts. Yeah, so even for that segment, like think about like some crazy shit. Okay. Some of it we're gonna build in studio, have it playing in the back. Some of it's gonna be live. Okay. You know what I mean? Alright, bet. You have the list, yeah?
Yes, sir. Oh yeah, that's what you sent it, right?
Nice. Yeah. Get some waters, please, Chuck. Oh, well. Thank you, brother.
We do want to bring back Strings and Bling though on the orchestra side. So if you see maybe a place where we can slot it.
So this is a specific show, orchestra and band.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is this Daisies or Deletions?
I think it's
both.
Both.
So Daisies, we won't be able to have a.
We won't have this,
the orchestra.
Yeah.
Okay, bet. All right.
Liddy.
Good then.
Let's see what the chat's saying first. Do we look good? Do we sound good? What's the vibe? Alright, I think we're straight. Alright, we're straight. Let's do it.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Yeah. just a little soft, like soft, so I could be like red rose. Ice, need a deep frost. I said I'm shining too hard and my bitch too hard, but I'm one loud. So, she make it wet like whoa. In my B12 exhaust, car full, I'm sleeping with a blicky across me. M&M's in my account, ain't nothing shady, the sun is out. Ain't gonna pay me, it's not amazing. If it don't pay me, I'm not a motherfucking clown. Ain't I don't wanna represent my hometown. My diamonds pink, I'm 45 grams. Dream chase, I ain't slowing down. Big ass smile, so I'm working hard just to live so I could be like Red Rose. Ice, need a big crush. I said I'm shining too hard and my bitch too hard. So, you should make it wait like in my B12 exhaustion. Car full, I'm sleeping with a bikini across it. M&M's in my account, ain't nothing shady, the sun is out. Ain't gonna pay me, it's not amazing. If it don't pay me, I'm not a motherfucking clown. I'm the one that represent my hometown. My diamonds pink, my 45 rounds. Dream chase, I ain't slowing down now. Eyes real with a big ass. So I'm working hard just to live so I could be like Red Rose. Ice, need a deep frost. I said I'm shining too hard and my too hard. I heard the boom die soft. She make it wet like in my V12 exhaust. Car full, I'm sleeping with a blicky in a
All the big time parties for real with the Mexican nigga on the streets.
We got the Mexican nigga in the building. What's up, Jose?
Yes, sir.
Sí.
Para mí.
¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo le gusta que te llamen tacos?
Para mí, taco.
Yeah.
Ready.
Let's go.
1, 2, 3. One more time, say. Go. Ready. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, say. String, play.
The peace they bring to me. I sing for peace, for love.
Let's go. Big time about the chat to the place tonight. I need y'all to send this tonight. Ready? Let's go.
I tell my secrets to a I trust it over a couple people that I know. I team over, I really got suicidal.
Okay.
I felt way too guilty, so I read the Bible. No, not for forgiveness, I did that shit for survival.
Let's go.
Won't even system, but then I broke out the cycle.
Okay.
People run to loose every day and night. No, probably business until you felt it.
Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Louder, say.
Kumbaya.
One more time. Let's go. String, play.
Peace they bring to me. I sing for peace, for love. All in the streets, it's deep, keep it. You believe me if I told you I never wanna go home.
Yes.
Never look at my phone. Would you look at me wrong?
Yes.
Damn, I'm in my zone. I'm in my zone, so please don't try to take the ice cream out my cone. And please, Mr. DJ, don't you cut my favorite song?
Okay.
I'm trying to sing somebody's all that I favorite dog. Damn, I haven't felt this rush in so long.
Okay.
I'm so yeah, but I'm so gone.
Okay.
Kumbaya.
One more time, everybody.
Kumbaya.
2 more time, everybody.
Kumbaya.
3 more time, come on.
Kumbaya.
Sing it with me, here we go.
Strings trembling, play strings trembling. The peace they bring to me. I sing for peace, for love, ski. Okay, the streets is deep. They need the peace, yeah.
We're about to take the party off from that to a 20, baby. Big C. Yeah. Hey, let's go. 1, 2, 3.
I used to have check, and I'm freezing the bank. I'm not going back. I had big bucks, I had roaches and rats.
Okay.
I'm not going back. Making this cheese cannot be the season.
Okay.
It must be a catch. I'm spinning and making it back.
Let's go.
So maybe it's passing that. I used to have check, and I'm freezing the bank. I'm not going back. I had big bucks, I had roaches and rats. I'm not going back. Making this cheese cannot be the season.
There must be a catch.
Yeah.
Hey, let's go.
They don't want sisters on zone, they pay that shit home, they tipping their heads.
Okay.
I don't want nothing in return for none of my bros, so scratching their backs.
Let's go.
Some people wanna be clones and each his own, go get you some rest.
Go get you some money.
Don't be too fast.
Too fast.
They only got no time to crash.
Let's go.
As soon as I find me up,
We know.
I got it where I fit in.
Let's go.
If I make somebody up,
We know.
she gon' have us some millions.
What?
More money, more problems, but fuck it, we'll take it.
We used to be rocking with shitty.
Can't be a nobody in my own city. I'm like the mayor, my windows and these people ain't playing my songs out of pity. They actually genuinely fucking with me. They pay me in cents, on his baby. I'm taking it hard cash like, hey, give me no hard. What you figuring out? I'm not a liability. I hustle like I got a winning. All right, I used to have check, and I'm freezing up bank. I'm not going back. I hate bed bugs, I hate roaches and rats.
Okay.
I'm not going back. Hey, making this cheese cannot be this easy. It must be a catch.
What?
I'm spinning and making it back. So maybe it's balancing that. I used to have check, and I'm freezing up bank. I'm not going back. I hate bed bugs, I hate roaches and rats. Yeah.
I'm not going back.
Making this cheese cannot be this easy.
Yo, there must be a catch.
Yeah.
Hey, let's go.
They don't want sisters on zone, they pray this shit home, they stick to their heads. I don't want nothing in return for none of my bros, so scratching their backs. Some people wanna be close, they each his own, go get you some breaks. They gon' run away too fast, only God knows how they crash. Yeah, as soon as I found me up, I got it where I fit in. If I make somebody in,
We know what the fuck.
she gon' have us some millions. More money, more problems, but fuck it, we'll take it. We used to be broke, it was shitty. Can't be a nobody in my own city. I buy like the man, my windows is. Yeah, these people ain't playing my songs out of pity. They actually changing when they fucking women. They pay me in 10, 20, 30, 20. I'm taking it all cash. I ain't
Living.
Don't give me no help.
Yes.
Figure it out. I'm not a liability.
Yes.
I hustle cause I got a mini. It's all right. I used to have check. And I'm freezing the bank. I'm not going back. I had bed bugs, I had roaches and rats. I'm not going back.
Nah.
Making this cheese cannot be this easy. It must be a catch. I'm spinning and making it back.
Okay.
So maybe it's passing that. I used to have jack. And I'm freezing the bank. I'm not going back. I had bed bugs, I had roaches and rats. I'm not going back. Making this cheese cannot be this easy. It must be a catch.
Yo.
Yeah, I'm spinning and making it back. So maybe it's balancing that. I used to have.
That's not how it works.
I think let's not do it like that for this. You know, I think let's let this ride out. Let the people react, whatever. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Maybe this is what we speak to them too, is it?
This might be a way you introduce yourself.
Where are we right now? Delicious.
Let me check.
Delicious, what's poppin'? Make some motherfucking noise!
Outside there, yeah.
I don't know, it's late now though. It's late. It's very late.
All right. Yeah, greetings, intro, and then Blackie's coming. Oh.
Yeah. So we gotta do a little.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, I go by the name Nasty C. I'm so happy to be here with you beautiful motherfuckers, man.
Yes, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, right here is my brother, Mamba, the voice of God, my DJ. Make some motherfucking noise.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. If you ready to turn on, say ah.
Ah.
Say ah.
Ah.
Let's get it.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah, I'm also trying to.
So you see, for this right here, it would be dope if we did a little intro. I don't know how it's gonna go. Maybe
I can play the intro without my voiceover, and then Chris can like shy over it.
maybe you can play for context for him, and then he'll figure out like a better one.
Yeah, let me do it.
Yeah.
We
So
definitely need to rework.
yeah, we need to rework that.
Maybe it's something talking next.
Yeah, nigga, I'm still talking here.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some motherfucking noise. It's a motherfucking IB's party today.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nah, he comes out on this verse. On this verse, I feel like, you know. Let's go. 1, 2. Is it? No? Oh shit. Okay. Yeah. Okay. For context.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I get it.
Yeah, but pretty much, yeah. So from what was that last song again? It was Jack, yeah.
Jack, yeah.
So from Jack, immediately after the song, after I'm done like singing Jack,
You want to bet it
start
out.
transitioning into this. So
Yeah.
it won't be like a hard, like an abrupt
Thing.
switch.
Yeah, real shit.
Yeah. So you have to figure out like the two keys, how you can go from one and land on the other.
Can you play Jack again?
YouTube, I'm giving you 5 minutes, then I'm turning you off, then we carry on Twitch.
Oh, yes. Hey, yeah. Hey, guess what? 1, 2, 3, Jack. And the rich in the bank. I'm not going back.
I ain't been buzz, I ain't want to rest.
Nah.
Making it cheese, can I make it easy? It must be a catch. I'm spending and making it back. So maybe it's balancing that. Now you said Jack.
Jack.
I'm French in the bank.
In the bank, I'm not going back.
I ain't been buzz, I ain't want to
I had rest, I'm not going back.
Making this cheese cannot be as easy.
No.
It must be a catch.
Alright.
Spinning and making it back.
Alright.
So maybe it's balancing that.
Let's go.
Came around 6 times home. Finishing home, they tipping their hits. I don't want nothing in return for none of my girls for scratching their heads. Some people wanna be close to each, just how I'm gonna get you so bad. I know they know it's okay. Only got to how they change. As soon as I found your window, I got it where I fit.
Yes.
If I make somebody a winner, she gon' have us some millions. 100 pounds, but fuck will take
Yeah, we used to be broken with shit.
Baby, I'm nobody in my city. I'm caught like a bear, my riddles is king. These people make play on songs out of king. They actually check the world, they fucking with me. Gotta get 10, 40s, 100s, 50. Tipping their hard cash, shine, give me no pump.
Yes.
Let me figure it out. I'm not a lot better than you guys. I hustle like a kind of winner.
Let's go.
I kiss your hat.
I'm drinking the original bank. I'm not going back. I had red bugs, I had roaches and rats. I'm not going back. Making this cheese cannot be this easy. See, must be a catch. I'm spinning and making it back. So maybe there's business in that. I used to have Jack in the original bank. I'm not going back. I had red bugs, roaches and rats. I'm not going back. Making this cheese cannot be this easy. Must be a catch. I'm spinning and spinning and spinning and spinning and spinning and maybe there's business in that.
They don't want Jesus, I'm told they pretty shit home, they tipping their heads.
Yes.
I don't want nothing in return for none of my girls, so scratching their backs.
Yes.
Some people wanna be close to each, since I'ma go get you some rest. They gon' ain't know it too fast. You know you got no time to crash. But then as soon as I probably done, I got it where I fit in. If I make somebody up, hey, she don't have much on the list. More money, more problems, but fuck it, we'll take it. We usually regular city. Carry on nobody in my city. I like the mirror rollers. These people ain't playing once I was out of 50. They actually tell you what they fucking with me. They pay me in 10s, 20s, 100s. I'm taking it all cash. I ain't, don't give me no home fast. Let me figure it out. I'm not a liability. I hustle like I got a bitty B. It's tough, it's still a
Fridge in the bank.
In a bang.
Not going back.
Hell no.
Bed bugs, roaches and rats.
Hell no.
I'm not going back.
Okay.
Making this cheese cannot be this easy.
You.
Must be a catch.
Catch.
Spinning and making it back.
Right.
Maybe this balance and lefty.
You should have. And then we switch it from here going into lefty, yeah?
Okay. Can you
Oh,
play
shit,
lefty?
this one's too fast.
Yeah, that's why he has to control
gotta
that.
do it,
So
yeah.
he switches from one key to another, one tempo to another.
Real shit.
Can you play lefty?
Real shit. Yes, actually, the actual one of the intro.
The intro.
See,
Real shit.
real shit.
For real people.
You got me real shit, man. It's real.
Alright, YouTube. It was good, YouTube. We'll see you over on Twitch. YouTube, make your way over to Twitch, motherfuckers. YouTube ends in 5, 4, 3, 2, Yeah.
This is very nice.
Yeah, you know what I mean? As we talk. Ladies and gentlemen, I go by the name SDC. I be some shit, my religion. Or whatever I say. Make some motherfucking noise for mine with the voice of God, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, sir. We're here to turn up and have a good motherfucking time with you.
Yeah.
If you here to do the same, let me get a Nah, let me get a Let me get a
Time for the jungle. Ready? Go. Okay.
Okay. For the end part, when we hit that, but obviously it's gonna be time cued and whatnot. In fact, you should probably like get that thing like done automatically.
Yeah, facts.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you know,
A little.
I like actually have the two tracks
as one. Or
that might be better to do.
Yeah.
yeah,
But then,
that means you got to time your speech.
yeah, but that's easy.
Yeah.
That's easy. As soon as I hear it like starting to crescendo,
Yeah.
I'll know to wrap it up.
That's
And
comes
then,
up. Bing.
yeah, so even in the production, there'll be like an instrument that comes on that's like on time with Lifty. So I know, okay, cool, I have 4 bars, 3 bars, 2 bars,
When they get the tracks, then maybe after this.
For sure.
Home as well.
For the shit show.
Okay.
Sersky.
Alright, let's get it.
2, 3, go.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. Let's go.
1, 2, 3, go.
Take for park to drive, take off like a lefty. My exes can't come back to me cause I know where they left me. My bitches get me a baby, I'm watching her breast.
I'm watching her breast.
All my pages going to the both side cause he dressed. I can't tell my bitch because she be trying to dress. I can't tell my guru when he be trying to impress me. Don't really fuck with nobody, can't even exist. I come from the jungle, yeah. Nigga, boom, boom, hey, PTSD. I was just broke. My package was empty. Bitch, you gon' fail. You try to test me. Let's go. I come from the jungle, yeah. Nigga, boom, boom, take for park to drive, take off like a lefty. My exes can't come back to me cause I'm not where they left me. My bitch just gave me a baby. All my bitches go up to the low side cause he dressed me.
Let's go, say wow. That you say. It's a jalaba. I get
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
But obviously, this one's gonna have Blackie's verse and all that. You know?
Yeah.
Still cool, man.
Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Go. Let's go. Yeah. I just landed in. I just landed in London. My pockets be talking and joshing and singing and shit. Your pockets still humming. Blackie, he passed me the ball and I dunk it. Oh, I shoot at the 3. Going dummy, going stupid indeed. That chocolate and brown, yeah, who wouldn't freeze? How do I keep this shit smoother than grease? I can tell you, but you wouldn't believe. Fucking with me, you bruise, you bleed. I let it out his money in peace. Catching that hoe, send her back to the street. What you trying to have a man, you down? Let's go, let's go. I just let it in. Are we not doing that?
Nah, just chills around.
You don't think we should? Oh, okay.
Yeah, but we should. No, we should. Oh, but remember, it's Blackie's verse, then you. So.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, there might not be.
You're right.
Doing both verses.
What you mean? Like mine and his?
His.
Yeah.
He doing both.
That's a good question.
No, he needs to do one.
That's a good question. Yeah, so he'll do his first one, then I'll come back out for this.
So when he's still doing that, but that's it.
Yeah.
I was thinking if he does the first verse, that means you're not on stage. You're doing something else.
Drinking my water.
No, there's a you have an outfit change after. It's supposed to be after this according to the script.
It is. I realize that, but that means he's gonna have to carry the rest of Lefty, which is he probably can't do that shit. Yeah.
The rest of left.
Okay.
Oh, so you're gonna pop out with the new change for
yeah. When I come back for verse 2. Oh yeah.
Let me see. I'm not sure about that, bro.
Like Beyonce.
Yeah, Beyonce.
Mhm.
I'm not sure about that, bro, because the next segment is Easy Stolen Gravy, and
Yeah, I don't think it's on the same show. I don't think we're gonna do the thingy for Delicious. The outfit change. and
for
everything.
Delicious. Oh,
Yeah.
alright. Because I was gonna say it would be nice if maybe you pop out with the outfit change for those songs as opposed to in the middle of a song.
Right.
Because you gotta be Beyonce if you're gonna be Beyonce. You feel
I
me?
think there should be an outfit change.
For sure, but we're trying to figure out like where's the best place to do that.
So,
As opposed
if I
to
remember correctly,
yeah.
when we last spoke, in the hype section.
Yeah.
Uh,
So Lefty is the first one, yeah, right?
and then it's yeah.
There's yeah.
And then-
There's yeah, and then why me?
Yeah. So
Yeah.
the part in for why me,
Mhm.
like he kind of finishes off the song.
So that's what I was saying right now.
Yeah.
And then I'm out, and then he starts off yeah by himself.
Yeah.
Then I pop back out for.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If it's that, then it's gonna have to do.
So my objection was that he coming back with the outfit change in the middle of the song. It's dope. But it would be doper if when you move on to the next segment,
Brand new segment.
it's a brand new
song.
segment.
I
brand
hear
new
you.
fits.
I'm not gonna lie. I hear you.
Because
I hear his track.
The moment goes down a bit. It's like,
Yeah, it's like alright, new segment, new song, new outfit, whatever. That makes sense. I hear that. 1,000.
I don't see why me here. Oh, well, it's yeah and why me. Okay,
Yeah. Okay, then what is the first song of the new segment?
it's
Probably
easy.
Let's start with Why Me instead.
Yeah.
Instead of starting with Lefty, we start with Why Me. Hey, but now, yeah, Blackie comes on the second verse. With Why Me.
It's fine.
Which
You
is
can,
good.
you can rock with me for the first verse, my verse,
Yeah.
do his second verse,
And he can
you do
carry
his.
Sorry.
Yeah.
He
Okay.
starts, yeah.
The other idea could be after you do Lefty A and Why Me, orchestra segment, then you shut the change.
Yeah, that's what we're saying.
Oh, okay.
So then he carries the rest of yeah, no?
Yeah.
He does his verse number 3, but his second verse. Yeah, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
He carries the rest of that song right there. I do a quick brrr, and then I come back for. Is it easy?
Easy, yeah.
Which is easy, right?
Yeah.
For sure. Oh, also, remember, I have time for that because we like one at a time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what you mean.
Shit we were talking about just now.
Okay.
Oh, Spanish nigga time.
Okay. The Spanish nigga is for a thing, though.
For Streets of Big.
For strings
Oh,
of
yeah.
bling. Yeah, this is easy.
With the fucking sombrero, boy.
Sombrero.
What the fuck are you talking about,
¿Cómo
bro?
estás?
Ah, para mí, Puerto Rico, Colombia, español, sí.
No. And then the hand is left.
All right.
Oh, bueno.
Bueno.
Because that will allow him to.
Shall I?
Okay.
I think he can carry it by himself.
But I think the
Go
effect
into
of
next segment.
No, but this one here,
Yeah, I get it.
this one here is no bad, yeah?
No bad.
I'm noting that now. So it's like,
No bad for this one.
yeah.
You can add like
The trap song sometimes like there's no chords, bro. So it kind of mellows it down. It kills the vibe.
It
Yeah.
jazzes it up too much.
Yeah.
I don't like that.
Yeah, I was watching the show you
So
did
look at this is really
at what's that radio station 947 Day
Yeah,
with the band.
yeah.
It's dope, but it's jazzy, you know.
It's very jazzy.
On the trap stuff.
It's very jazzy.
Yeah,
this one is fine.
I feel like maybe like a young bass sometimes.
Yeah, every now and then, like, boom, 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 boom.
No
And then, you know?
chords.
Yeah, facts.
I wasn't even talking about the chords, bro. I thought you meant like the whole motherfucking. You know what I'm saying?
Blackie's done.
No, that's not the orchestra shit.
Alright,
Orchestra is after that.
I think it makes some sense.
What's Chad saying, Tim?
I don't know, I haven't checked, boy.
Alright, cool.
Couldn't see
So,
them yet, I think it's too small.
so we maintain the
What
order
you saying,
as,
Trap?
as is. So it's gonna be lefty, yeah, then why me, or lefty, why me, yeah.
As is, it's lefty, yeah, you want me. Because they still, what I didn't think was, yeah, there's still time.
But you guys are talking about Blackie's second verse, and yeah, I thought it's the point where Junior can head out. Plus, yeah, is the maybe is the crescendo from this 3-pack. From the Blackie Nasty 3-pack, yeah.
End with
I think so.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, if you're good.
Huh? Yeah, we're good.
See, this is like following the sprinting formula. You know, you start with your fastest runner, or second, whatever, and then you end with the fast nigga again.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's do what I mean.
All right. No, there's no need to do these ones though. We know these ones.
All right, cool. Straight to easy.
Yeah, straight to easy. Let's do
Easy stalling. Stalling just the hook as per, or the whole song.
we might just do verse 1. So hook, verse 1, hook.
So we're gonna have an orchestra for all these, the next 3.
Yeah.
Easy, stolen gravy.
Yes, sir.
Calm.
Strings and bling is supposed to be in there. The strings version. Remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. So just type that in there. I don't know where exactly it sits there, but you know.
I don't think we changed. We just spoke about it. But we didn't.
We were supposed to add it for sure.
Okay.
For sure.
But the idea was, remember that you had the idea of doing it twice.
Yeah. This is the second time. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, really?
Yeah. But this one is different. It's Oh, we don't have that version, yeah?
I don't know, brother. All right.
All right.
Take time out with somebody. Ready? Yeah. Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
1 minute. One second. Could you play whatever you think the orchestra is going to sound like? I'm trying to imagine it in my head.
Like some strings or something.
Yeah, something. Whatever you think it's going to sound like.
Actually, it's probably before even the actual song comes in. It's probably like whatever.
Like an orchestra intro type of thing.
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, don't put me on the spot. I gotta figure it out. But like, now the camera's here. Everybody's like, do something, boy.
Oh, you're Christ.
Just play it real quick.
Yeah, play.
Just play it real quick. I mean. So how long should this intro be? Just want strings, start with strings, and then into
whoever
the
the first person that comes out might just play whatever, and then the next person
So it kind of like it builds on each other. So we can start with the main melody and then slowly but surely.
Maybe we don't start with the instant giveaway, you know? Maybe we start
Yeah,
with
and then when they hear it, oh my days, this is actually very peak.
Okay.
you know,
Okay.
and then when they start to hear it, then maybe we do an edit of that.
Yeah,
that
we
doesn't
do an
that
edit.
starts with the boom 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 straight
On
into
TV.
you know.
I like that.
We'll figure it out though. We gotta do like a studio session.
Yeah. We need a studio session.
Yeah, finesse it.
Oh, this is actually
I
so
like
peak,
that.
bro.
That's just gonna be crazy.
Oh my days!
Alright, let's get it funny.
Oh shit!
As it's playing, yeah.
It's a lot of bad things, man. I'm right where I should be. Every blessing that I pray for fell right down that toe. What you tell them? Stress free, stress free, stress free, stress free, stress free, stress free. Let's go. Zulu man with some power, 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 power. What you tell them? Yeah, I said I'm a Zulu man with some. Ain't got no time to be fucking playing. I done lost my roulette. I can't give a fuck about a milli rock. Do you know how to to protest? Do you know how to protest? Peak summer, I'm the snowman. Hallelujah, time to eat. God gave me this big. Came in all right over you record. Fuck the law, fuck the uniform. Can't believe it, I was fucking pouring out black cars like a Yu-Gi-Oh! Ass club of the roof, I am not a crackhead, I'm a pretty boy. In a jungle, I say I was a I go make ass inside the future. I see you change the way you feel about me when I'm. You said I know bad things, said I'm right where I should be. Every blessing that I pray for fell. Right now I'm stress-free. Stress-free, 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 stress-free. Go, tell them sing. Say, to the man with some power. What you tell them? Yeah, I say, I'm a Zulu man with some. Ain't got no time to be fucking playing. I done lost my Rolex. I could give a fuck about a milli rock. Do you know how to pole dance? Do you know how to pole dance? Peak summer, I'm the snowman. Hallelujah, turn to eat. Yeah, I came in this bitch really eat. Get me on right where you ain't good. Black cars, they get Yu-Gi-Oh! Ass club on the roof, I am not a crackhead, I'm a booty boy. In the jungle, that's where I was born. I go in and live out the world. I see you change the way you feel about me when the lights hit my jewelry. It's a lot of bad things here, I'm right where I should be. Every blessing that I pray for fell. Right now I'm stress-free. Stress-free, 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 stress-free.
Tell them see, tell them see, tell them see.
Easy. Hey, Zulu man with some power. What you tell them? Yeah, I said easy. I'm a Zulu man with some power. Zulu man. Yeah, Zulu man. Zulu man with some power.
He's a Zulu man.
Zulu man.
He's a Zulu man.
Oh yeah, I'm a Zulu man.
He's a Zulu man.
Yeah, Zulu man with some power.
Oh, you guys are listening to Peak Fiction Radio tonight, baby. Yes, I'm scared.
Where my dead ones at in this bitch?
Tell them.
Hey.
1, 2,
Hey.
let's go.
You can just leave if you wanna leave. If you don't wanna go the whole way, here with me.
Yeah, say. One more time, everybody sing along.
Say friends don't bother me. You fucking up a good thing, and they all can see that.
I tried tonight, see.
I tried. I won't come back, I'm sorry. I'm finished what you started. I thought you said you was all in, but you stalling. I won't come back, I'm sorry. I'm finished what you started. I thought you said you was all in, but you stalling.
Tell them see, say.
Breaking up, making up, same shit again.
Yeah.
I don't wanna play these games with your friends.
Yeah.
Pulling you away from me and push you back again.
Yeah.
Too unstable to hold me down. Now you breaking your vows and you say I'm not around.
Wow.
But every time your friends let your ass hit the ground, I was making you smile. I would tell you that I'm proud of you. You ain't ready for love, girl, it's obvious.
Yo.
You living for your audience. And I was just an ambiance.
Wow.
You play me like a champion.
Alright.
That's why we gotta end it while we young. If you ain't feeling what I'm feeling, then you must be numb. If we ain't ready to one another, then you must be dumb. I think girl like, hey,
And I'll say.
you can just leave if you wanna leave. If you don't wanna go the whole way, I don't need it.
Put your hands in the air and say goodbye.
Hey, you can say your friends don't bother me. You fucking up a good thing and they all can see that.
I tried.
What you say? I tried. Hey, I won't come back, I'm sorry. I'ma finish what you started. I thought you said you was all in, but you stalling. I won't come back, I'm sorry. I'ma finish what you started. I thought you said you was all in, but you stalling.
Oh, they losing their shit right now.
Oh my fucking God, take me now.
Throw your bra on the stage
So
right
much
now.
fucking order, oh my fucking God.
instantly like that.
Yeah, even I think even like if I know there's a version with the instrumental where like there's the bed underneath.
Yeah.
Less of that, more of that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That was hard.
Yeah, that was fine.
That was hard.
Very
yeah.
moody. Yeah.
Very moody.
You have an ability to slow down if you want.
Yeah. Okay.
As long as you like it, I'm trying to figure it out.
Nah, it was on.
Alright, come on now. Himsky, come on now.
Right.
Yeah. If you got a drink on you right now, put that bitch in the air.
Let's go see. Yo, we go.
I'm cool, I'm calm, I'm crazy. Drunk, I'm high, I'm fast.
Okay.
Don't want no smoke, no fake. Everybody with me on the same. I'm cool, I'm calm, I'm crazy. I'm drunk, I'm high, I'm fast. Don't want no smoke, no fake. Everybody with me on the same page. I'm still with the guys. Whoa, 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 whoa. Loyalty and fight. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is no surprise. I came at a perfect time. There's a T in the sky. Yeah. Whoa, racing business, so just have me lost. Give me guidance, give me sauce. It's my hand with the boss. It got me living when I walk.
Let's go.
I wish you could feel what I feel. And I ain't finished with the fuck up with my face with a bill. Yeah. I tell them I'm way past my limit. Way past my limit. I'm cool, I'm crazy. I'm drunk, I'm high, I don't want no smoke, no fans. Everybody with me on the stage.
Let's go.
I'm cool, I'm crazy. I'm drunk, I'm high, I'm faded. I don't want no smoke, no fake. Please, everybody with me on the same page. Yeah. What you tell them? Straight and play, put a straight and play, put a piece, they bring it to me. I say, for peace, for love. Yeah, she's dope, it's deep, bringing me the peace.
Does that work like that? Right after the song, it didn't sound too bad.
We really could, bro. Honestly.
Yeah,
I don't think there's a need to.
Yeah, this one can go straight into it. Yeah.
I think we're gonna need to talk because we're introducing classics now. So we're
It's a different segment altogether. Okay.
Oh shit! All right.
Alright, okay. Give the orchestra guys a chance to dipski.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you're still having a great time, make some noise.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir. It's a glorious occasion. We're so happy to be here with you guys, man.
Hell yeah.
Fuck yeah. It's a special night tonight, man. I want to get into some of the classics. I want to do something special for all my day ones.
You want to say something about like how you felt maybe at this point in your career? A little quick speed, like I just lied to that boy, like
So when I was going through it at the time was
Nah, hell no.
alright, cool.
Maybe not for this one. Maybe, you know.
Maybe for but then we're going straight into these ones.
Maybe for a song like Hell Nah.
But hell no.
Yeah, it makes more sense like Hell Nah.
Yeah, real shit.
That one deserves a nice thing.
Yeah.
Okay, then we say said.
well, this order is set.
Up with the weights, I work. Down with the pack, I roll. Up with the sack, and you know that I deserve it.
I thought it was particular first. Actually, shit.
Yeah, it's said first.
Yeah, I said go.
I know it's written
because it's a nice little transition.
Yeah. And then goes nice and easy.
What's up, chat? You guys enjoying the show? Free show from the comfort of wherever the fuck you are right now. You guys are so blessed. I'm not gonna lie, you guys are blessed.
Boy, man, everybody fucking your money.
You guys are the fly in the room. Cause Teddy's just yeah. You know what I mean? W Teddy.
Yeah. W Teddy for sure.
The shit show.
I is a Teddy in the cut, baby.
through the eyes of Teddy. You're literally seeing it through the eyes of Teddy, ladies and gentlemen.
Exactly. You're good, alright.
That shit makes anything you say sound like.
Yeah. I'm about to collect some tithes in the church right now.
Yeah.
Can I get an amen?
I had some lunch, ladies and gentlemen. Last night I went to bed and I had a dream, man.
Cap now, nigga.
I was about to cap him down, boy. Alright,
Don't.
that was nice. Perfect. I wish. Up with the waist, I work.
Okay.
Down with the pack, I roll. Up with the sack, and you know that I deserve it. Half and half when we split the verse. And the preacher man said, please remember that your savior's on the way. I still remember when the teacher man said, I wouldn't make it out, I made it anyway. I remember saying, what was that?
MP3s4free.com.
What was that? I heard that. Yeah.
Oh shit! I am crazy. You part of your own shit.
Yeah, but I did that because it was like, yo, this. You're supposed to go home and fix it. Alright, fuck it.
Would you look at that?
I'm building a legacy out of highway. I never touched a team by design it. Being pretty, let an echo in the lobby. When I was broke as hell, when they found me. That is when they found me. I'm past it, I made it. My haters all plastic, fake. My head is all happy, I'm grateful. And all the things I say are all they keep. I hope I get to meet up with my mother when I'm gone. They should talk about my life and all the hurt that I want. I ain't saying it was flawless till that time I got it wrong. I ain't nobody to talk to, so I said it in a song. All I do is go up with the weights, I work. Down with the pack, I roll. Up with the sack, and you know that I deserve it. Half and half when we split the perks. Yeah, the preacher man said, please remember that your savior's on the way. I still remember when the teacher man said, I wouldn't make it, but I made it anyway. What you doing?
It's the medley. It's said in particular together.
It goes after that.
Yeah. So still play until particulars gonna make it.
Because you're confusing me with the
You said I was bring it down.
I did not say that, man. It's the lyrics. Down with your pack, I go. You fucking idiot, man. Jesus Christ. Yeah. Why I said.
You think I should put his hand down like this?
They told me everybody's 15 minutes in a different time zone.
Yo, we go. Give it to him right now.
And since I haven't had the money, you wanna understand my life,
Yo, we go. Let me go. Let me go.
Get your life, little mama, once you get your life on. Ain't nothing cooler than the wrong moves when you're doing to the right stuff.
Here we go.
Hey, so this movie, I put this shit on repeat. I hope this niggas up there before we speak. Before we hit the road, put our phones on silent. Nobody's trying to bring slaves to the beach.
Okay, yeah,
they take these shit, your plans for the weekend. It's high nights, all the thinking like EA. The whole thing, the pre-party, the pre-stage. Then we hit the
One, two, three.
I like you, girl, in particular. You in particular. I like your waist in particular.
Come on, here we go.
Yeah. I like you, girl, in particular. Say what?
You in particular.
I like your waist in particular.
Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go.
Hey, come, give me that loca, give me that loca, give me that loca, give me that loca. Let's go. I like you, girl, in particular. Say what?
You in particular.
Okay. I like your waist in particular. Now, say I like you, girl, in particular. Say what?
You in particular.
Yeah. I like your waist in particular. Well, ladies, make some motherfucking noise.
Oh, wow. It's so short, but I fucking love it. Oh, shit. Oh my God! I love him.
This is obviously I want to be this
was on the stage, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Man, you should hate yourself. Same segment.
Okay, so we definitely have to do a transition here because this is a crazy, you know what I mean?
It's a different vibe.
Yeah, either we go a couple seconds, no music whatsoever, we talk to the crowd.
Oh,
let them know
just
we're
dead.
getting ready to turn up. Yeah, if you still got some energy, put your motherfucking hands in the air. And then we go to that. Or like a musical transition of some sort, you know? I don't think we can go bling, bling, bling. That's kind of crazy.
Remember, have you ever seen the video of Ghana's guitarist? Doing
Maybe some shit like
some
that.
shit like that.
Yeah.
That'll be fire.
So I think because this song kind of does this, then the keys and the thingy can and then climb up.
Yeah, gotta give them something. Yeah. Oh shit, what's happening now? Oh shit, oh shit.
I think that's dope. That is dope. I had another idea in case. Because we've been doing like transitions for shit the whole time, right? With music or the mic. That because it's like now we're getting into like really, really iconic tracks. That might be the moment where dead stage like for 5 seconds, just black. Give people time to scream. Then bim bim boom.
That could also work.
And then it's like, fuck, we're in a different, like,
For sure.
we're like, different. Yeah,
Blackout. Total blackout.
total blackout.
I like
For sure.
And they're like, hey, what's happening? Ding, ding, ding. Keys doing his
Nice.
thing. We're on.
Nice.
Fuck with that. Fuck with that too.
That's fire.
Thumbs up.
Shout out.
See? We do acknowledge your ideas.
Bro, you niggas trust.
Man, you should hate yourself. Look into my mirror, nigga, rate yourself. I look at the shit that we doing, motivate yourself. Brace yourself. I ain't got my motherfucking juice, man. I ain't got my motherfucking juice, man. I ain't got my juice, man. I ain't got my motherfucking
Juice, man.
Should we do the verse? I feel like to make it special, maybe do the verse. We haven't done that shit in years.
Yeah, we're going to have to do the verse.
I also think so.
Yeah, but I have to take it there.
Back in the game like a sister, my nigga.
Do you still know it? Do you still know it?
I don't. I can't even tell you the second line. Back in the game like a sister, my nigga. Right on the spot like a sister, my nigga. Yeah, I get under pressure, nigga. Every time I make an anthem, I don't know. Crazy, man. I listened to it a couple times.
Crazy days.
Alright, and then what's after that?
After that, we'll say hell no.
You say hell no?
Yeah.
Okay, Dean.
So, you want to talk to him? I don't know if it'll be. Right.
Is that the last one? No.
That's the last one of this segment. After this, we're going to T's and C's.
Okay.
Can't we have like a uniform thing? Like use your idea for each of this, just for this segment,
What do you mean?
where we go dark.
Dark again.
2 seconds.
Facts. We can.
And
Yeah.
then again.
Hell yeah.
And then just for this segment. Right?
Oh, yeah,
I have an
facts.
idea. I have another idea.
Yeah.
Sorry. So, because we're gonna go dark in this segment, then when we go dark again, then we can maybe have a voiceover that just says T's and C's apply.
Before T's and C's.
Before T's and C's.
Okay, so after hell no.
Yeah.
It goes black.
Okay.
Or even a visual.
It's FM.
Yeah. I'm actually working on a couple of those for you right now.
Okay, bad.
It's only 3 songs, so
Yeah.
T's and C's apply.
What songs are you performing on T's and C's? We might have to mute this bitch.
Yeah, I agree.
Which ones are there? I don't
It's not listed. Whipped.
Hold on.
Whipped and
We
then
almost gave you guys little woo. Hey.
all the monsters.
No. Wait a minute.
Fusion. Ha.
What's gonna be?
Yeah.
And we did say 4.
None of these are out. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, it's tough.
Yeah, I know. We might have to mute you guys, chat. Let me see what I can bring you guys.
We're going there now. We're going there now.
Are we?
We're going to the T's and C's now.
Yeah.
We can skip this.
Skip it for today?
Yeah.
Okay, man.
was gonna flood him with a bunch. Okay, bet. All right.
Have you touched yourself today?
You made your notes, yeah? Crest.
Yeah.
How you feeling?
Nah, man.
And from hell now, we'll just.
I think we good, bro. I think we good. I got the
Lemons. Oh.
From hell now.
Off the hell now.
sounding lit.
Ooh. You're cooking.
Oh, we're not done.
Yeah,
No, hell no thing, yeah?
Lemons is
Okay,
not on
let's
the
do
list.
hell no, because I want to add that verse. Remember, we bringing back that on the radar verse.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so let's definitely do that.
Is this lemonade?
No, hell no.
Oh,
Hell no. Where are my non-quitters at?
Yeah.
No matter what it is you're going through, whatever it is you're trying to achieve, don't you fucking give up. For me, please. Am I ever gonna quit? And you say what? Hell no. But I done a bit. You say what? Hell no. Am I running with this shit? No, you are. Fucking right, I bring the levels to this bitch. You know you right, my nigga. Ever gonna quit? Hell no. Like done a bit. You say what? Hell no. Am I running with this shit? I really am. Say fucking right, I bring the levels to this bitch. You know I'm making music for niggas and suit ties. And y'all got the money and evil smile. It's been conversations whether I let my people call you people mine. I rap for the ones still in high school, probably my age and they think I'm cool. Or the little ones calling me uncle. If you know I do it for the dance. I'm trying to find out where my mind at. I don't think I'm crazy, I'm beyond that. Every girl I'm with is either been so obsessed with dressing and looking like Beyonce. I'm the jiggy, yeah, I'm all that. It's not a thing I hate more than a contract. I've been killing niggas since I was a kid. Versus on the super when I'm calling. I'm two-waker like a foreman. Okay. I could really bring it to your door. I don't think you wanna get involved by the young king. I know. I'm a leader, I just give a hand. You know you like my shit, you get it. I brought came up like boom, boom, boom. Someone get the body. Hell nah. When I dumb it down a bit, you say what? Hell nah. Am I running with this shit? Okay, turn on. Say fuck it, right? I bring it. 1, 2. You know you what? G. You say what? Hell nah. When I dumb it down a bit, you say what? Hell nah. Am I running with this shit? Say fuck it, right? I bring the. You know you what? I said, hey. I got haters to shit on, planes to get on, dames to hit on, what? Flames to spit on. I got rings, watches, and chains to fit on. First I got stepped on, then I got a bag, now your boy getting sit on. Okay, see the sun been on, we just fucking up the light skin now. What we been on? You would think I'm in love with Jennifer Aniston, how I keep putting my friends on. I get up on a daily and grind hard, cause I only got me to depend on. Yeah. She go down on a daily, calling me God, like girl, you don't have to fake God. Sizzle winning the race, first place. And that nigga a gone, boy. Put these sold out dates in they face. And they say that we contour, gotta watch for the fakes. And the snakes, then they get you a lawnmower. Boy, you said you would take my place. How long you been singing that song for? Back to back, the Mercedes a convoy. Stand on top of the business. Parkour, Ayo Scissor, you straight? Straight. But they wish I would talk more. Time to take this shit up to the top floor. They used to ignore it's not his time. Why that man keep saying, oh God, he bringing the Lord into his lives. Am I ever gonna quit? You say what? Hell nah. Will I dumb it down a bit? And you say what? Hell nah. Am I running with the shit? I really am. Say fuck it right, I bring up levels to this bitch. Now you know you what? One more time. Are you ever gonna quit? Check, wait. Hell nah. Will you dumb it down a bit? And you say what? Hell nah. Are you running with the shit? I tell them, say fuck it right, I bring the levels to this bitch. You know you right, my nigga.
That was nice.
That's good.
Yeah, see, hold on. Because of like the energy between these two, I feel like maybe Lemons should come before. Because it's Juice Back before that, yeah? Yeah, Juice Back, Lemonade, Hell No. And then new segment.
You think so?
I think so.
I think
with this verse at the end, it kind of sounds like a bye of some sort. You know what I mean?
Which is nice to go into. It's nice to mellow into lemons.
Yeah, T's and C's after.
Yeah.
Hell nah.
We just
Then
keep-
lemonade.
Okay.
Yeah, so plus like it's giving them the juice bag. Hell nah, like back to back. Sheesh.
Yeah,
Okay,
that
yeah.
segment is.
It speaks to it. Yeah. Okay. All right.
Yeah, we like we're probably gonna have like a couple people fainting there. What's up when I'm man? Yalla. Asabe, dala when I talk. Asabe talk. Asabe talk. It's true. What's up when I'm man? It's true. What's up when I'm man?
Hey, rest in peace to Super Mega.
Sorry, let's say something.
Let's go. 1, 2.
I've been holding myself back, bro, from shouting and can you please?
Fuck no. Don't you fucking dare, though.
But
Don't you fucking dare, though.
I'll be like, yeah. I'm telling you, bro. No, real shit.
Say that. We wanna. Don't you fucking dare do that shit. Yeah. No.
Oh shit.
That's all I got, Chad. That's all. That's it. Rest in peace to Super Mega. 1, shoot, 2, 3, shoot me out. Straight suit, Versace, pull out the set. Tip up the off-white, up to the neck. Turn up the AC, it's hot in the set. Call out the slate cups, pull out the AC. Straight suit, Versace, pull out the set. Tip up the off-white, up to the neck. Turn up the AC, hot in the set. Hey, call out the slate cups, keep up. Yo, sing. A nice team with the lips and the curves. But she in my corner. Let's hit on my left. Whoa, Maradona. Giving her some fast combination, y'all. When I make a gag, I was going for her tonsils. When I met her dad, I told him I'm in a hostel. Told her you're in a hostel. Yeah, the niggas are hostel. 1, 2, 3. Everything is alright. Everything is alright. My new car ride. Listen to me. I put her to the show. For the energy was weak. I gave us a love bag. Always out of the country. Guess I'm a die. When they pull me off on black, I might die. SAPS contract. That's it. What a place is. Yeah, Durban, the Evergreen side. Living on the highway, Pepper State Pie. Got black don't crack, so I better age. Got a little thing called time. I wrote a little thing called die. She wrote a little thing called. I wrote a little thing called right. I never told lies, so we go. Everybody to the line. From the left to the right. Take it all the way. I'm playing hard to get. This life is different. Okay, every skipping. Don't be outside. Lemons to lemons. Lemons to lemons. Hey, go! Big face suit, Versace, pull out the set. Right, sip up it off-white, up to the neck. Turn up the AC, it's hot in the set. Call out the snake, pull out the big suit, Versace, pull out the set. Sip up it off-white, up to the neck. Turn up the AC, pull out the snake. A nice team with the lips and the curves. In my corner, a 10 on my down. I'm giving her some class combination. When I made a gang, I was born for her tonsils. When I met her dad, I told him I'm in a parcel. Got the niggas a parcel. And what you tell her? Now everything is alright. Everything is alright. See my new car ride. I put her to the shore, that was sleeping. The energy was weak. I gave her some more rides. What you say? Always out the country, yes, I'm a zai. When they pull me off, I'm black, I might die. No SAPS contract. That's it. What a place to live. Durban, the Evergreen side. I'm living on the highway, Pepper State Pride. My black don't crack, so I better age. Got a little thing called time. I wrote a little thing called life. She wrote a little thing called. I wrote a little thing called right. I never told lies, you just couldn't see it. Ladies and gentlemen, make some motherfucking noise.
Let her know.
When I say long live Super Mega, you say live long. Long live Super Mega. Live long. Long live Super Mega. Live long. Long live Super Mega. Live long. Rest in peace to my brother, AKA. We love you, we miss you, and we will never, ever, ever forget you. Let me get some R.I.P. Super Megas in the motherfucking chat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, after this, it's into the T's and the C's where they apply, but not to the chat.
Not to the chat. Hell no.
Where does it apply though? Do they know?
I know, we can skip SMA. Alright. Yes.
Head up.
Head out.
Head up is also a part of it, yeah?
The last one.
So why were we trying to rush it like that? What's going on? Let's do head up.
Alright.
It's GC.
No, sir.
Oh yeah, we're gonna do that version, yeah. Are they? Oh, remember we said we're gonna. Okay, nice. Okay, all right, let's do it. We'll just imagine that they're here, and then and then for the verse, you'll cut it. That one doesn't even have a verse, does it?
No, it does not.
Okay. After the hook, you'll take over.
Okay.
We'll see what it sounds like when it's just like acoustic. And we might have to go record like some choir back, like hummings and all that. What's it called? Harmonies? Yes. Hummings is on the nose though. Why isn't it? Why are we calling it harmonies? Huh? What are we doing? Complicated shit.
Alright.
Alright, this one. Yes, that one.
Are you on the church?
That gospel. Yes, don't have a gospel up there, bro. A gospel choir.
And at this moment, turn to your neighbor and say, neighbor, neighbor, neighbor. You look good, you look good, you look good.
Touch your neighbor.
And tell them, neighbor, neighbor, neighbor.
I can't even pretend to be a pastor now. It's just not in it.
I feel the spirit in this place of jazz work. If you feel it.
What's this thing actually like touch you? Nah.
Yeah, it's because of this shit right here, though. I'm telling you. That's how they scare people, dog. Ladies and gentlemen, the Lord is in the house tonight. You better show him.
That's it. Oh my God, though, you got it.
God is in this place. And God is so better for you. Hallelujah. Amen.
And taking all your coins.
Oh boy, I didn't finish it.
God, you walk out of there thinking, what the fuck, right?
Study those.
Petrol money now. It's tough. Alright, let's do it. Let's give it a go, man.
Yeah.
Just sit in the back of the bus. I pull up in a demon.
What? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm telling you that to show you how crazy your life can change if you believe it. That's right. I know it gets hard to maintain sometimes. I've seen it. But you gotta keep your head above the water. Stay calm and keep dreaming.
Here we go.
And no matter what they say, yeah, gotta keep your head up. No matter what they say, yeah, keep your head up. No matter what they say, you gotta keep your head up.
What?
No matter what they say, yeah, keep your head up. Come rain or sunshine, I'ma keep on pushing. I'ma let these people keep on talking. Let them keep on looking. They don't know my struggle. They don't know why God put me where he put me. And as long as I get to wherever I'm going, I won't care how long it took me. And I won't hate no man for being on his grind. That's just not the vibe. That's just not what I do with my time. Let that nigga try. Let that nigga win. Let him fly. If you wonder why, his success is not a threat to mine. Cause I'm still right here keeping it up. Hey, still keeping it 100,000. Heart breaking in 100 ways. Mind moving at 100 miles. You might see me on stadium stage, but I came from the underground. I done bought about 100 planes. I done walked in 100 towns. If I want shit, I hunt shit down. I thank God that I hustle hounds. Trying to balance this life like symphony, but it's made of 100 sounds. You're supposed to want the best for me. Why would you try to bring me down? I had 99 problems like Jay-Z, but you're making it 100 now. I was just sitting on the back of the bus. I pull up in a demon.
Yo.
Hey, I'm telling you that to show you how crazy your life can change if you believe it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I know it gets hard to maintain sometimes. I seen it, yeah. Okay, but you gotta keep your head above the water. Stay calm and keep dreaming what you said. And no matter what they say, yeah, you gotta keep your head up.
Keep your head up.
And no matter what they say, yeah, keep your head up. Yes. And no matter what they say, you gotta keep your head up. Sing that shit. No matter what they say, keep your head up. Keep that fucking head up, young. It's gonna work out, man. I promise you. Yes. All right. And then this is the last one. That's how we ending it.
That's the last one, yeah.
Okay, nice. Make him emotional, feel me?
Yeah. Now you can ask them for the tithe money. What are you sending out baskets with the basket? Make sure that you put your tents in.
You got about 10 niggas in the crowd. I'm telling you. 10 niggas.
Mas essa niggas with nigga matches. Você faz balé no corner.
About subscribe.
Boxing man did, yes, chat. Actually, this is what you should be sending those subs right now. I need to gift this right now. This is me with the bag. Don't we have a hat here I can use or some shit?
Oh yeah, there we go.
Boxing man did, ghost. Boxing man did. Nice.
Alright.
Oh, somebody actually gifted and I missed it, bro. Thank you, Spanban. I appreciate it.
Because it boosts it.
Because it boosts it, words. I
The one is that I put at the corner.
I do appreciate it, though, bro.
So I got call.
Hallelujah.
I go back 9. Go back at Caesar.
One of the quiet members on stage has to do this one.
Yeah.
Fall out.
I'm telling you, boy. I'm telling you.
Is that blasphemous?
Ah, boy. Nah.
I feel like we're violating right now.
Nah, God is not an insecure person, man.
God is on Twitch, right? Stop playing, though.
God's on Twitch.
Yeah, watching us right now.
Subscribe.
See you motherfuckers.
Alright, gents.
I got my notes. I think you just need to get those files and also work on the timing.
On some of those transitions and stuff. I think I got an idea.
Nice, man. Yeah, it's just, how long is this shit? 40? 45?
It needs to be 45.
It needs to be 45.
But I'm
It's
pretty
sure
sure.
45.
Yeah, we're gonna do that easy. We're probably gonna do more.
Yeah, we might. But that one there, I think they're kind of strict. So going over is not like a celebrated thing. They start coming to you. Doing that shit.
They give me 30 seconds and they say, I'm cutting. I'm cutting.
Now Mel's over there sweating.
Calling me.
Nah, he's whispering in my ear like, yo, don't fuck you, man.
Like,
Yeah, because now it's awkward. Now the guy says, Chip, I'm cutting. Cut.
Yeah.
Now it's like, yo,
I'm over there clueless. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're ready to turn up, and this guy plays head up. Because they say lost song, and I didn't know. You know?
Sometimes they actually. They would say maybe there's still like 5 songs left.
No, but like shows like that, they're also quite strict. Because they give you a timer.
Also, those big budget shows, bro, they usually have everything on the
timer.
Yeah. So I'll peep.
What ends up, what we should avoid, bro, is because the time is there, we need to set up a time. Because every minute we chow into that. There's no replacement.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
There's no like. So if we start the show at 5 on the dot, and we then Junior starts performing at 5:05, we've just lost 5 minutes.
Then we can't get back.
We can't get back.
So at 5 we need to go.
There's no like, alright, just one more song.
Nah.
But what if it's not our fault? What if we're supposed to go at 5?
Yeah, then it's different.
Then we'll tell them.
Someone is still.
Yeah, then we'll tell them.
If the band is still setting up, they don't care, bro. You're shouting
And then we'll tell them. We'll tell you, dog, that was all you, bro.
Yeah.
Like if the power goes out, God forbid, touch wood, if the power goes out, they also know that, like, oh shit, it's tough.
I can't tell Zix to fuck off the stage, though. He's my big bro. You know?
Yeah.
Be like, Can you please, you know?
Just walk up to him like this. You understand, right? I can't do that. That would be hilarious.
Yo, bro.
Just don't do it.
This was supposed to end at 5, yeah?
5:30.
5:30? Oh, okay, bet. Yeah, perfectly timed.
What time is it?
Get some chows and shit.
We're getting better with the buffering time.
Yeah, man, you know? Even though today we were late.
Put a mic.
What is that?
Put a mic going nice.
Yeah, if he's not gonna play any more music, we can share the mic.
Okay.
But honestly, it sounds good, bro.
Sounds good.
We never know what we need.
No, we didn't want music.
Yeah, if he's not gonna play any more music. That shit sounds good, bro. Fuck that. Sounds good, sounds good.
Dog, I had an idea last night.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, you gotta stay.
Let me hear, man. Let me hear.
Remember when there was a point where the intro was the actual intro?
The band, you talking about the band intro or?
No, like, you know the song intro?
Oh shit, yeah. Fuck the world, that one.
Yeah, I had an idea of like, in one of the segments, I think maybe the
Getting
segment
him excited now. You see
either the segment with you and Blackie or one of the other segments, that whole thing can kind of be reunited. Because it's a hype segment,
yeah,
it makes sense to kind of
get them up like that. Let's try it at the next one.
On stage?
No. Let's try it here. See what that's like.
Sorry, I didn't hear you, bro. As an intro.
Not to the whole set, to the segment.
Oh.
Starting the whole thing with it is nice because it's like, you know, first time on stage, people are hyped anyways, even if they don't know the song, kind of, you know what I mean? So that
as in you
works.
popping out with the song.
Yeah, that works. But he's saying
for the hype set.
Yeah, so that's dead center, or maybe not dead center, but like it's in the middle of the set. So we would have been on stage for like a good 20, 15, whatever. You know what I mean? That's the only thing that's making me a bit skeptical about it.
It can go in the beginning. It was just like
it really could.
And I was like, because of how it sounds.
It could, but I'm not gonna lie. I like how it goes like this, dog. Starting off with soft like that, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I kind of like that, bro. I'm not gonna lie. And we're gonna do a nice little intro over there. But at the next rehearsals, let's try it. Let's see what it sounds like, though. That shit might be fire. That shit might be it.
You know how hard I fight for that song, bro.
Nah, I feel you, bro. Intro was fucking gas, bro.
This time was perform changed. Dog, we're gonna do a bad hair rehearsal one of these days. When is it? Next week? Next week, chat. Then you guys are gonna get those lines. But not today.
Not today. On someone's like Instagram post or Instagram like brand new TikTok for instance.
I sent it to Teller, chat. I sent the song to Teller. He remembers it from when I sent it to him before. I don't know if he's actually gonna do it or not, but me, I want to add it for sure. I definitely want to add it. Oh yeah, you're welcome, bro.
Oh no.
Yeah. Streamer you, dog. I'm in South Eye, dog. What are you talking about, streamer you, dog? Streamer you here, bro. Streamer C, dog. This ain't looks like Beamer Boy.
What is this with me?
Doesn't look like Beamer Boy. This is everyone else. This is me on my phone to the side, bored as fuck, wanting to go home.
It's just you in the world.
No, it's me and most people. I'm just saying, like, one in every, you know, I guess 1 in every 4 people feel this way. I guess you can look at it like that. But I was just saying, I'm antisocial, you know? I'm kind of like that. This one here, this is Zulu Man, that's it. This is Ivy Son. This one here, these two. Whenever I start to panic and getting, like, anxious and shit, I look at these. This one tells me to bring back, so come back to now. As opposed to, you know, getting anxious about the future, what's about to happen and shit like that, or thinking too much about the past and having regrets and shit. This one reminds me to come back now. I'm here, I'm alive right now, I'm blessed right now.
Come back and breathe.
Yeah, breathe and come back. We got Ivy Sun. Then we got the ivy tree. Ivy tree up here, new ivy tree. This is my mother. This is me. This here with the doves. This is her. This is her tears. But also just like her watering me, I guess.
Yeah.
This one here says, love yours. No, love yours.
You know,
Yeah.
I think Andy's new, bro. It's a direction.
This is a whole story. I've told that one a lot of times.
Yeah, what's that?
This one is a fly. This was in my emo phase. So there's a vein that runs here that goes to this finger right here, which is why people put the wedding ring on this one here. That's why you choose this one to put the ring on when you get married. And I was basically saying that this is dead and rotten, you know? I was like, fuck this thing, fuck this love shit. I'm never gonna get married, blah, 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 blah. This is Hashira, this is my Japanese name. This is Torax, this is Jiggy Jigger. This is the Boka. You know what I mean?
Which one is Ichigo Ichie?
Ichigo Ichie is here, but you gotta. Oh shit. Yeah, I gotta go fix this, man. I've been saying that, but I actually need to go fix it.
What's your favorite right now?
My favorite tattoo?
Oh, yeah.
I don't know.
Okay, which one is the most meaningful?
The most meaningful one, probably this one. Probably this one.
Look, I could play
This one
the
here.
bass because I've always like said basing it.
You know?
But if we like need an actual basis,
Yes, this one here for sure. Fear me.
So I want someone who can play bass, but also like crazy.
If you hadn't already gotten the live stream with it, I would have said they must draw tattoos for you, then we get it done.
Oh yeah, they kind of did, but they used AI. These motherfuckers.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know that.
What, do they like designers or what?
I don't know.
You just need people who understand hip hop, dog. Yeah, I feel like the previous groups didn't get it.
How long we been running now? 1 hour, 20 minutes? That was good, man. Which one was the most painful one? Believe it or not, it was this one. Boy.
Which one?
This one here. Maybe even this guy right here. This was also fucking painful. This here.
Yeah, and
this one is this one is all shading. It's just so this shit was painful as fuck, you know?
Yeah, so that one. I remember this one.
This wasn't even painful. These.
What does that one mean? That's Zulu one.
Oh, this is just Zulu, man. That's it.
Yeah, that's that. But what?
That's Zulu. It's in my DNA. No, that's it. Just Zulu.
In your DNA.
Yeah.
But I think the latest one is the Durban one. Please put this thing for me.
That one there on the back?
Yeah.
I think you're good battery, yeah.
Okay. I want to see when you like fill up the back. Let's see the try harder. Why did you put it on your knees?
Try harder.
Why you put it on your knees?
I don't know, dog. I should have put it somewhere where I was going to see it a lot. But I wanted to get started on my legs, and I just thought about something that, you know, would at least motivate me.
So you going on the legs. Have you seen the one I got on the leg?
What is it?
It's like fucking it's wild, right? So that I didn't know what to get. I just wanted to get it.
Who's this lady? Teddy's got a white woman on his leg that he doesn't even know. Who is that lady? Show him.
Sucks.
It's fire though. Well, who is this lady?
I don't know. It's just that one.
Yeah,
I just then I got whatever. You know, I just wanted to start. And then he put a rose on it, and I told him not to. And he said he never tells me when I'm shooting. Why should I tell him when he's doing his job? But it's a homie that was joining me. I shouldn't have gotten it. But I think
you had no idea what he was doing.
No, I never. I knew about the lady. I didn't know about the rose. And also it was a bit painful. So
that's a violation. That's on you forever. You shouldn't.
Yeah. Are you still gonna get me that other one?
Which one is that one?
The one you're gonna throw me?
Push. I owe Kevin one. Yeah, for sure. Which one do you want though?
I don't know. You can pick what you know how to draw.
Whatever. Okay.
Yeah, whatever you want to draw. You can even design me a nice story. You know me.
Okay.
And you can do me on stream. But I don't think they want to see that. I'm gonna cry so much. Yeah.
That might be the one though.
Yeah, I don't think I want to show myself
that might be the one.
In that, you know. But yeah, I won't lie. The Love Yours one and the Springbok one. The Springbok one and the Love one.
Look at these people.
Those ones are too insane.
They asking me when I'm going to link up with Christ.
What you say?
They asking me when I'm gonna link up with you. Bro.
We linked up right now. What you talking about? Hey, I got something for you, actually.
Okay.
Yeah, I got some heat for you.
Do you want to holler at the chat?
I'm here. What's up, Chad? We chilling.
Bet.
What's happening? Feel me?
That's what I
We know what you were trying to do.
What were we trying to do?
We're trying to do the Kanye thing.
No, it was not the Kanye.
Yeah, that was
thing.
way off. Boy.
Nah.
That was way off.
Where's the octave sound this is so I can move it a bit?
That's right. Here.
Send it up there. Nah, send it down. Yeah.
See what you got, homie.
Even Gigi's looking at me.
Yeah, we ready, dog. I'm trying to see what's up.
We're just like, yo.
Nah, bro. Hold on.
too much pressure now.
This one, these two.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, shaky.
It's something.
It's something, I will say. I'm trying to figure the song out. What song is it?
It's not on the spot.
Oh. Hey. Nah, my boy's got it.
Everything.
I got it, though.
Oh, shit.
Like, you just play everything
so
really
like
slow. So it sounds really serious.
I was being a hater.
Nah, because I do the same shit.
You go try, man.
Yeah,
We do the exact same thing, bro.
At least I know what a chord is, nigga.
Okay.
Yeah.
Baqalisele Krastanta nami vesiboneke batshengisa into enzenza bafuna abancane.
That was lit, yeah.
Wena washa amazulu Christ. Wena washa amazulu.
Hey, too much, yeah.
That's you. Hey.
This is you,
Bitch ass nigga.
and this is Christ.
But it's
Carrying the whole thing, boy.
Yeah, no, come on, bro.
I was ready for it.
Yeah, no.
Alright, boys. Good shit.
That was lovely. Crystal, tell him I told you that, man.
What?
My Christ is lit.
It's my boy Neo.
Tell him you produced Amazulu, bro. You've been out here.
I won't lie, been out here.
Wait. If I didn't know you, what are the 5 songs that if I like that you don't?
Hey, man, my proudest moment is Lemons. I won't lie.
Lemons. You did lemons.
We did Lemons. What we do? We did. Man, I'm all over my country actually.
Yeah, but say 5. Just like people that will know you from.
Amazulu, I do. We got
I do
Lemons.
by La Sauce.
Yeah.
Oh shit, this is.
It's me and Mash.
Lemons.
Yeah.
Oh my days.
You're so kind. You said Amazulu, lemons. I do.
We got whole Blackie. We got Sega Blackie.
That one we can even try on the stream.
We got. Hey man, we got a couple, bro. We got a couple.
What we got with Nasty?
What we got with that? What I got with Nasty?
Walk up in the morning.
I don't have a song with Nasty like for real.
Like one that's just you on production.
Yeah, that I can be like, yo, I produced that. It's like I'm on it, but like I'm not on it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I feel you.
So we actually gotta lock in.
Yeah.
You got a lot of shit on I Love It Here.
Yeah,
Got a lot of shit on there. Free?
I can't play.
You doing anything on free?
I was almost on the.
You on T's and C's?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. T's and C's. We out here. Got this crazy one, Banana.
Oh yeah.
That's
When's that
lit.
coming up? You shot the video the other day.
Soon. Yeah, they showed me the video. It's lit.
How's it looking? I haven't seen the draft, nothing.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Damn. I'll send it to you.
I was out there with the colors.
Yeah, I saw the
White
kids
shit,
there.
yeah, dog, it was nice.
Dapping them up.
Yeah,
You
it was a
know,
good
it's lit.
time, bro.
It's lit. The man of the people.
I love those kind of videos, huh?
But you got something with Manana.
Yeah, Manana, yeah.
That's dope. R&B shit.
What do you call that? It's almost gospel. That.
Yeah, it's borderline. I think it's got like a hit up vibe, is it?
Yeah, it does.
The Manana's got like a cult following, huh?
Manana's special.
Women love that, bro.
Yeah, he does that.
When you're ready.
When you're ready, I am ready, sir.
I
feels like I'm eating his lyrics now. Okay.
Hey, for real.
I am. That's another thing I want to be able to do. Just be able to pose it.
But gotta dial, bro. Gotta be able to dial.
Do you know?
I don't. Well, bro, if I knew how to, they would have issues. They would have issues. I would. Did you know I go to Mark, whisper you play this one song? Like while he's playing. Boy, I have to. Like, bro, come on.
Do you know how to for real though?
No, I don't. I look like that, don't I?
Yeah,
I don't.
See, that's what fucked me up. I was looking for the speaker.
Let's start a group. We're gonna be.
Learn how to DJ.
And then we were like, what are those boys? Willie and
What do you mean? Nah, I'm not gonna DJ for myself. That's weird.
What's that?
What's that niggas doing these days?
What's this, boys?
It's the new wave.
And then run back out there. Nah.
The bunnies.
The bunnies. Oh,
And
those
you
guys
seen
with
Willie
the-
and them, man.
Hey. So what are you playing? Are you playing Gone?
Oof. So that the pass, I come
DJ,
that
they can't dance. Fuck.
That might be the new wave.
Oh no, but you'll be the one that goes out there and you dance. And me, I just.
Yeah, asizeng amatem.
Yeah.
I see you. Wait.
The ones that they all know.
I don't know home, dog. A piano. And it's only my piano.
Away.
You wanna play? You wanna dance, bro?
Who's gonna dance? Junior. Is Junior gonna dance?
No. Split.
Then if it's Junior dancing, I'm fine. Or you can, Mambo, play your piano and come dance here.
Dance? I don't. Bro, I'm not a dancing MC. You are the dancer, bro.
I'm a dancer. I'm a videographer, bro.
Get the fuck out of here,
Producer, you know, there's so much I'm doing right now.
Yeah. I'll hold the camera. You dance.
What do you mean?
Chat, if you're trying to see Teddy dance, I need you to say W Teddy in the chat
they
right
gotta
now.
pull out with 30 subs.
Y'all gotta do it. 30 subs. I need to see 30 subs and 25 Teddy W in the chat right now, baby.
Let's do it.
I'm saying, and then we're gonna see this nigga. Oh, I do have a home song.
Which one? Such an old one, maybe.
Nah, bro, it's my shit.
You have a home song? Let's hear you. Guys, please just make sure you charge him. Give him L's if it's an L.
If it's an L, all right.
He's be trying to hear your home song.
Peep me.
You know, Juniors?
Kennedy! Kennedy!
Hey, I can really wrestling. So yeah, tell them about our Sunday. We're gonna watch the final.
This is my intro song. Stop closing. Alright.
See you. That's how guys. Action bang. Awushayi khona le ukuthi uzoyishaya bathemsini. Wait.
How you doing, guys? Fish. Wait. My bro was coming through. Ready? You can zip. You're gonna zip. Okay, let's do it. Let's see it then. Let's go. One. Say two. Say 1, 2, 3, 4. Zip. Holy shit.
I heard it, bro.
Is that what he said?
No, he said yes. He can't see Injan. I don't know what he said, bro.
Oh.
That's Shoes Meister. Shout out Shoes.
Oh.
Okay. All right. Shout out Shoes.
Shout out Shoes Meister.
Tu sei que eu sou homem de hoje.
Ah, vai matar mais tu vai, né?
Go. You got a security guard to hop on the song. Yeah, bro, like, just while us making music, it's like, yo, what the fuck you guys doing? We're like, we're making music. It's like, I want to hop on. We're like, come, hop on. We're doing this for the baddies, and that's always. And my name is Mumbo, the voice of love. I'm gonna make down sit, then to sit. I'm gonna buy me low, then to sit. I'm gonna buy down sit, then to sit. I'm gonna buy me low, then to sit. I'm gonna buy down sit, then to sit.
Asamba khona bezobona le ndawo.
I haven't even taken the time to see who's who in the zoo over here. Afronique, I know about that one. Pride. I don't have this.
There's Mendoza. You know
Where's Mendoza?
There's Mendoza.
Who's this guy?
Here's Mendoza.
It's Mendoza.
Chup chup.
That was Chupski. That was my Jordan. You know that one.
No Tapora. It's not.
Legends in here, though. Oh, yeah. Theo, of choice. From Mafiki Zauda. Another Mendoza La Paana. I don't got it.
So many artists you don't know from here, ne?
Yeah, bro.
Lira.
Lira, come on. Mam Lira is legend. This is our queen right here.
Yeah. Good stuff.
I fan out over Lira. Every time she walks, I smile like a child.
They got a few. Here's the legend. This is the legend in our time.
Yeah, JR hard dog. Come on. Make the sucker bigger.
Yeah, Tear Gas.
Tear Gas, that's a legendary album. I was trying to get the DVD for that one, though. I saw a plaque. Rob has a plaque. Not a plaque, sorry. A trophy.
Yeah.
An award. Because he shot the DVD for that album.
Is it the one in the
I
one?
want it so
Or it's
bad.
the dark or what?
Black or blue,
dark,
bro.
yeah,
And I
yeah.
want that DVD so badly, but they couldn't find it. I called KO. I was like, yo, please. I can't find it on YouTube. Nowhere. Chat, if you guys have the DVD for that one, maybe go ask your fathers. You guys don't have it. Please, someone please get it to me. Slicker, before it was Slicker Online.
Yeah, here's another one.
What?
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
There's a few people. Few people.
Mom leader. Look, this whole corner is hers.
Yeah, she's killing it. Killing it. There's a few people.
Double HP, RIP, the GOAT.
Yeah, bunch of goats.
The GOAT. The GOAT.
Who's your favorite out of all the ones you just seen?
Out of the ones I just saw, I fan over Leader, so I'm gonna say Leader. But as far as like who I actually listen to, Tear Gas for sure. Tear Gas.
What's your favorite Tear Gas song of all time? Come on. Chance. Another chance.
Another chance to get a chance. La okay, or shy konikunya. Container.
I don't know. I don't remember the videos.
Yeah.
I don't remember the videos.
That one.
Yeah.
I know Sako. Sako is well.
Are you fun, chaka chaka? Bunch of great. There's no one there though. I think they closed.
Somebody.
W stream. Good hanging out with you guys, man. You know, it's always fire. W rehearsals. Fucking great ideas for shows and shit. Pull up to the shows, man. See you guys there. We go crazy. We go crazy. We go crazy. Alright, chat. Love you guys.